One of the reasons I'm so good at drawing the male figure is because I've been practicing it for 50 years. But there's always more to learn. Recently, and I can't remember exactly what triggered this, but I realized that I needed some more work at drawing the figure in a running pose. I needed to practice drawing men running. Now, I know as an artist, I'm supposed to be up in arms against AI because it's ruining artists and it's ruining our careers and all that. And yeah, some of that's true. But at the same time, there's a lot of good. And AI is a resource that I really enjoy having. Using Artistly, I have been able to generate images that would have taken me years of work, of time, expense, and a lot of luck to be able to create in the real world. And a lot of these images are actually better than I could have gotten in the real world. And the bottom line is, they're beautiful images and they're inspiring me to paint and draw more. So I think that's a good thing. And today, the images I'm going to use of running men to practice drawing the figure running, which you will be able to benefit from too, I hope. I think that's a good use of AI too. I'm going to be doing 6 running figures. My approach is my approach. So probably you'll find some things in there you like and probably some things that don't work for you. Take what works for you, discard the rest. If this demonstration inspires you to draw more, that makes me happy. Okay, let's draw. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching these drawings come together and maybe picked up some tips. And if you got a little inspired, great! Sharpen your pencils and go draw!